Hey yo, what's up people? It's me, Technical Sensei, back with another video. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys that how you can make a logo for YouTube channel, for your own YouTube channel. So first of all, you have to download an application. I have given the link in the description. You're gonna type in, you can download from Play Store. Type in Pixel and I have already installed this application, so you guys have to install this application and open it. Okay guys, now we have installed this application. Let's open it, and you're gonna go to shapes. So let's find shapes. So there we go, there's shapes, and choose its circle. Yep, and just replace it nicely. And yeah, edit, click on edit. And yeah, remember, image size should be at YouTube thumbnail, okay? And click on OK. 1280 720, and click on edit on your shapes. Just adjust it and just make it opacity to 100, to 0. You should make your opacity to 0. So I'm making my opacity to 0. And then just make your stroke width to you can make it 23 or something. So I'm making it at 22, okay, 24, yeah. And then click on tick. So click on this option now. Click this option because I have to adjust the circle. Okay, now you just have to place our text. So you're gonna click on that plus option and click on text. Now you're gonna pull the text to the circle. So I'm gonna type something on the text. So I'm gonna type in SB, okay? So let's type in SB. You can type in anything you want. So now let's start editing. for watching our video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share. Peace out.